Getting chased by a jet.
Oh! Warning. This Battlefield 4 video includes dying, laughing, trolling, failing, glitching, shooting, camping, winning and squashing. If you enjoy these funny videos and feel like a bro, then please click the like button below. Enjoy.
Getting chased by a jet.
Oh! Oh! What the?
Oh! Did you get him?
Nah. Good job though. Oh, that was close. That was close.
Crashed into us, I think.
Mate, I just turned around and there was a jet there.
Ah!
He doesn't know yet, he doesn't know. I've got to repair to the C4.
Repair to it, mate.
Can I
You're a
get...
nib. Mate, you're a nib. Get me.
I'm trying. Yes.
Yes. Yes, I'll teabag him for you.
Thank you.
Alright, I got you back. Teabag, teabag.
I just killed that jet, mate.
Nice.
I just killed that jet.
We go, mate. What you want? You want a repair trip? Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm teabagging you because you keep stealing my cows.
No, you're walking through a fence.
So are you, mate, walking through wood. Watch this.
Netcode.
Azzy magic. Azzy magic.
The Azzy magic is real.
Hey!
Hey, yeah!
Go wreck some nubs.
Jet swap, Azzy. Jet swap.
Hey! Jet swap. MLG jet swap.
Woo!
Oh, nice! Come back, jet swap me.
Come on.
I don't know, I'm going on the hill. Swap, jet swap, jet swap.
1 sec. Get to the top of the hill.
At the top, mate. Swap, jet swap, jet swap. You're getting chased. Swap, jet swap, jet swap, jet swap, jet swap. Woo! MLG!
Easy.
I'm getting shot by a fucking heli.
At least we did it though, Azzy. We jet swapped.
We done it, mate.
For like a second.
Ready for a heli swap, mate?
Heli swap. Heli swap.
Heli swap, mate. Heli swap! Heli swap. Do me, do me, do me.
Nah, I'm not going to do it. Somebody else's though.
Whoa! Kill him!
A road killed him.
You squashed him! Get it. Rest in pieces and sand.
Rest in pieces. Didn't even see me.
Ah! I got him! Oh!
Nice.
Hey!
That was MLG, mate.
MLG!
Oh, there's a tank. Oh, he's backed off. Made a wrong mistake there, mate. Yes! He's dead, mate. He's dead. He's dead. Woo!
Nice. This wee sniper here, mate. Go C4.
1 sec. Nah, but... Oh, dude! Kill him, mother!
Oh, go! Stay alive!
Kill him, mother!
I'm trying!
Let me...
Yeah! I didn't know, go!
I don't know, kill him though.
I'm coming! Stay alive! Oh my god, I am the worst pilot! Come on, lift off!
Just crashed the helicopter at
I'm alive,
him!
I'm alive!
You're shite.
It's so hard! Get him, I'm getting him!
Oh!
Yes!
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 But time.
Whoa, that rocket! Oh my god, there's millions of them! Nice. Oh shit.
Oh, did I kill him with the mare's leg?
Oh!
Oh, he's away with your body, has he?
Get off him!
Oh, I'm dead.
I need it for my funeral! Aye, I'm going 360 no scope on, mate. Mate, I'll 360 no scope on. One moment. One moment. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3! Yeah, missed it. 1, 2, 3!
Woo! Oh, there's a guy trying to C4 somebody. Not today, Junior. I just redeployed, mate, right? Killed in action, and you should have seen my body. It went like 2 different places.
Best in pepperonis, mate.
Oh, shit! Oh! Holy shit, she got run over by a jet.
Oh, Hellion, coming. Oh, go get him. I'm fucking tired of him. How did that occur?
What happened? Oh, I'm gonna pick up your gun.
It's fucking me.
Oh.
It's fucking me.
Oh, look at my body.
Buddy. Come in. Oh, tank me. Ah! Alive. Peekaboo. Ah!
Peekaboo. You died.
Mate, tank to your left.
I know.
I'll fix you.
I'm running for it, mate.
Oh shit, I just RPG'd it. I've got you, mate. Yeah, come on!
Ah, I just died as well. Oh! I knew you were going to try and fly into me. I'm a jet, mate.
Ah! Yeah!
No!
There we go. Nailed it.
How did I die, though? The jet landed on me.
Mate,
When I
that's called
jumped there?
jet lag.
Jet lag. Move! Nah. Dude!
Mate! He got wrecked! Oh my god! Oh, jet!
Jeep. She's just go C4'd.
Mate, come on!
He C4'd me as well. No. Come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. Oh, he's gonna make it. Oh, I wish I never had a sore throat. But left my ass off. He's gave up. Oh. Now get him, buddy. How did I even miss that? Get wrecked, helicopter. Nope. 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 Nope.
I'll get him. I'll eat my own under
Oh.
it. Oh yeah, boy!
Jesus Christ, the helicopter hit me.
Oh.
Ugh. Get wrecked, Mr. Bed Stemmer.
No letting you past. No letting you past, mate.
Okay, shot it, mate. You're getting burned anyway. That you don't hear. Mate!
Oh, I went up and down by mistake! No! It must have singed my face off.
Your gun's at the top.
Oh.
You knocked me off the ladder.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, did my jet hit him?
3 jet. Nah. Was that
Oh.
your jet? Mate,
That
you
was
took
my
it.
jet.
You took out 2 enemy jets. You took out 3 enemy jets.
Get wrecked. As an MLG pros in town.
Ugh. Mate, you're a dick.
Mate.
This jet doesn't even know I'm coming in for the kill. What? I missed that? No way. I bet I get for you though. Nope. Oh! Oh! Woo. That was close, buddy.
Butthole. Hey, he's
What
still
is it?
alive. There he goes.
Oh, he's under your wheel, has he?
Oh,
No anymore.
bag him.
What's that tank?
Mate, give me my tank.
What's that? I'm getting this jet. I'm getting this jet.
What happened there?
What was that? What was that big explosion though?
Ah! Guy behind you, mate.
Ah,
Behind you.
what do you mean
Oh,
by me?
fuck. I've got my C4. Hey, he's got squash me.
Catch you later, bro.
Hey, you're a cock. You stole my tank
I was getting away.
and you drive away and didn't even help.
Oh, sniper.
Yeah. How did I get sniped?
What?
How did he get me? Oh my god, that guy's bloody. But how on earth did he get me?
I got a helicopter! Yes! First kill in like a year. Oh.
Congratulations. God.
What?
What the fuck kind of luck did I get in this game?
Oh my god. Oh. The thing's targeted you, mate. What do you call it? The... Aye, that big thing in the sky.
Fucking hell is that?
The...
What is that?
EC-130.
Fuck off!
I'm running away from it. Holy shit, look how fast this thing is. What does it mean? Oh, I just hit Johnny on the floor.
Ah, I just got sniped. Ah, sucker, can't get me. Ah, nearly got killed by the flames. That guy is a legitimate cockhead. Is it no hitting him like? Mate, I'm trying to snipe somebody!
Having to be bonfire as it. Come see.
Ouch. Mate! My bullets have been fucking working!
Where is it?
Fuck knows, I'm not telling you.
There's a tank in there, man. I've got to get him. Watch, yes.
Got him, man. Got him, man. Mate! Oh my god!
No!
They're just running so fast, your wee feet were like Fred Flintstone shoes. I think that's gun shooting. Ah! Ah!
Oh, you're done.
Mate, they blew out the wall! Hey, come on up!
Oh! I was repair tailing his head as well.
Oh my, what a noob!
He's got paint coming out his ears. Oh, he's doing the sexy man pose.
Sexy man pose!
Sexy man pose! Sexy man pose!